Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have a very special video that we need your help with. This is Dauntless, my newest smart doll. I absolutely love this doll. I had been waiting for her. So I let her do the collab today that I am doing with Sarah from Berry Wings 11 and Dory's Dollies. And what we did is we set up a challenge that you spent $30 on an outfit for your smart doll. And then we're asking our viewers to go to each video, look at the clothes, see what they got for $30, leave a regular comment too, but then go back to the channel that you like the best or take another look and tell that person that they have your vote for spending the $30 the best. Let's start with the shirt. This shirt was $10.77. Now I know some of you think it's a jacket, but at my house it's a shirt because I wear something like this. It's kind of like the shirt I got married in. Mm-hmm. I had, Darren and I got married on our place in Wisconsin, and I rode my horse in that we had raised from a weanling, who is the only horse we have left right now. And I wore a shirt a lot like this. Oh, talk about a wedding. Some of our invitations didn't even get sent. It was, and it was an outdoor wedding.
They got sent, they just didn't get delivered.
Yeah, we sent them. We got married in June. We sent the invitations early May, and some people didn't get theirs till after, I think the first one arrived that was late, July 7th. Oh, we were mad. Evidently, they had a bundle had gotten lost at the post office. It was an outdoor wedding. We didn't just have a storm. We had hail. We had no building to speak of. And here we are standing today. We had friends that came through like gangbusters. We told them all, don't bring a gift. Just bring a food dish. Bring your favorite food dish. That's the gift to us. Oh, this is cute. I really like this. Man, thanks for doing this challenge, ladies. I wouldn't have bought this otherwise. And I didn't even realize how much like my wedding outfit this is. Oh, that is cute. Oh, and look how cute it is on her. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, so the shirt was $10.77. Now I have a $10 skirt. I cannot tell you, through the years, from the 60s to current, how many jean skirts I've had. Oh gosh, that's adorable. These have little working pockets. Look at that, little belt loops and little real snap. Oh gosh, this is really cute. I think it's going to be longer than, wow, that's even got the fob. Did you know that's for a pocket watch fob? You hooked your fob onto that, and then the pocket watch went into your pocket, so that the fob that you hung it on to hang on to it did not scratch your watch face. There you go, a little trivia for you today. Oh, this is cute, and yes, I would wear it, but oh, it's longer on her than I would have liked. Oh gosh, that is cute, cute, cute. Oh, I'm sorry, Sarah and Dory, that everybody's going to be voting for me, but oh my God, look at this. I mean, really, look at this. Oh my God, that's cute. Cute, cute, cute. Look at the back. Oh, that's cute. Okay, then we got her some boots, and the boots cost $4.32. I don't wear socks. I don't make my dolls wear socks, so she saved a little money there. Yes, there is a right and a left. They have a little zipper. How cute is that? Oh, and a tongue. I got to get that boot tongue out of there. Oh, seriously. How could you not vote for Dauntless? And I should call her the long-awaited Dauntless. And she came up. I waited and waited and waited for this doll to buy her. I had not bought her a couple times. And then I decided I was going to get her next time she came out. And she didn't. And she didn't, and she didn't, and she didn't. And when she did, the time that I bought, she's come up every time since. And I hope you all are grabbing one because she is so gorgeous. This doll is beautiful. All right, so here, let's tilt her feet a little bit, are her beautiful boots to go with that. I would have preferred cowgirl boots. Okay, here's the trick. Yep, look at that. We can put this stand right here. Whoops. That's me, not the clothes or the doll. Oh, there we go. There we go. So the stand works, does not mess up the clothing in the back. Oh, those pockets. They're killing me with that. The watch fob. And look at that. Yes, it's working. How could you not vote for this? So, as you can see, she had change. So she also bought a little pair of tennies in purple for $1.89, which brought her total to $26.98 with tax. And they don't really have shipping, but now they do, and it's ridiculous. You don't even want to get me started on that because the USA pays for China shipping. Anyway, with tax and shipping, we came right at $30. So go look at the other ladies if you have not already and cast your vote. Oh, this was here so I could just do her hair a little bit. Cast your vote for either Dory or Sarah or my absolutely gorgeous Dauntless in this outfit. You know what? I might go back and get another one of these. I have several Smart Dolls, and I think that is just lovely. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Sarah, Dory, this was so much fun. I cannot wait to see the clothes you've chosen today. Please leave a like, a comment, and let's see if I can do this, and subscribe.